As corporates slowly start incorporating non-verbal communication as a part of their training needs for the employees, we've got the opportunity to increase the level of engagement of the participant groups so that the learnings of our programs become long-lasting. This short video is our attempt to show you what a 2-day corporate workshop conducted by Simply Body Talk looks like. So on day 1, we typically have simple activities, role plays and discussion of the theories of how to decode body language using our in-house device QConnect model.
There are a lot of people, जब वो लोग room में आता है ना, you feel some energy. It's more like when I'm asking them to do something and all of you are looking at me.
On day 2, the participant groups are given longer scenario analysis and case studies so that they can apply the learnings of day 1 themselves. Through mutual discussions and inputs by the trainer team, the non-verbal science applications are made more insightful as well as longer lasting.
Both the legs are moving like this. You keep the forward down and all this is constant.